today I want to show you how to do the box search with Labii. And then to get started, I have one file called ids.txt, and then got the string IDs shows up over here. And then let's back to the Labii. We can open the advanced search right over here. In the field, let's choosing the UID. In the lookup expression, ensure you're choosing the in. And then in case the value, we can actually using the AI to grab the IDs. So I'm going to choose in the files that I already prepared and then ask AI to prepare the ID for us. So I would say generate a list of IDs separated by comma, and then also ignore the title line. Okay, so that's the ID we need, and then we can actually close it. And then with the ID we generated, we can simply click the perform advanced search. And as you can see, the final search is being limited to string IDs. So that's it. Thank you.